right, let's solve for x. Okay, we are given x cubed equals to 303 cube plus 404 cube plus 505 cube. Okay, so let's see how we can address this. Now, first of all, let's break these numbers. Okay, let's break them down. So this side will be x cubed. So let's go ahead and write this 303 as 101 times 3, or to the power 3. 101 times 3 is 303. So I have done nothing. Now let me go ahead and then do same to this. So we have 404. So 101 times 4. So all to the power 3. So 104 is the same as 101 times 4. Then we have the last one, 101 times 5 to the power 3. Okay, now remember a to the power n times b to the power t all raised to m. Remember this power will affect this and affect that. So we have a to the power n m times b to the power tm. Okay. So let's go ahead and arrange them well. So we have x cubed. So this side will be 101 cube times 3 cube plus 101 cube times 4 cube plus 101 cube multiplied by 5 cube. All right, so we see something in common here. Okay, so guess what is common over there? So we have 101 to the power 3. We have this, that. Okay, so 101 cube. So this side will be 3 to the power 3. Okay, plus, so we are factorizing 101 cube out. So 5 to the power 3. Okay, it's very simple. So this side remains 101. So 3 cube give us 27. So 4 cube, 4 times 4 times 4, 64. Then 5 cube, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Okay, so let's put them together. 125 plus 64 have 9. Each one plus 27 have 6, 1, 2. So we have x cube equals to 101 times 216. Now let's check if we can write 216 as something cube so that we can take the cube out. Okay, so 6 times 6 is 36. Times 6 will give us 216. So my x cube will be 101 cube times 6 cube. So we can go ahead and take the power out. So we have 101 times 6 all raised to 3. Alright, so we have x cubed equals to 101 times 6 will be 606 cube. Now when we're given a raised to n equals to b raised to n, so we have the powers being equal, therefore a is same as b. So with this, since the powers are equal, we can conclude that x is straight away 606. All right. Subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos.